Hi everyone, how are you? Here is Bedcuts Butterfly with different style of haircuts are available in my channel, and I hope that you like my today video. It's an awesome haircut of butterfly, and in front you are looking with bandcuts. So here are so many styles of butterfly and haircuts. It's a new trendy modern hairstyle of 2023. And here is looking, you are a very expert and expert cut the hairs, very stylish, very looking beautiful cuts you are watching. So tell me in the comment section about my video. Here are so many styles of haircuts. If you go to someone's salon, so you can first watch my video when you're going to before your haircut. So I hope that you like my today video. All the cuts are very different and stylish, latest and modern haircut. If you like my video, so please give me a like and share my video. I'm very thankful to you that you are watching my video. Thanks.